A good news after long time. The one thing that we wanted for all these months are now just few days to come to us. Yes, I am talking about coronavirus vaccines. Oxford coronavirus 19 vaccine works. Yes, the early stage trial finds that the vaccine is safe, causes few side effects and induces strong immune response in both parts of the immune system, provoking a T cell response within 14 days of the vaccine, that is cellular immune response. It could find and attack cells infected with the virus and an antibody response with 28 days. An ideal vaccine against SARS-CoV-2 should be effective after 1 or 2 vaccinations, work in target populations including older adults and those with other health conditions, confer protection for a minimum of 6 months and reduce onwards transmission of the virus to contacts. Explaining how the vaccine works, study lead author Professor Andrew Pollard, University of Oxford, UK, says, the new vaccine is a chimpanzee adenovirus viral vector vaccine that expresses the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. It uses a common cold virus that infects chimpanzees, which has been weakened so that it can't cause any disease in humans and is genetically modified to code for the spike protein of the human CoV-2 virus. This means that when the adenovirus enters vaccinated people's cells, it also delivers the spike protein genetic code. This causes these people's cells to produce the spike protein and helps teach the immune system to recognize the SARS-CoV-2 virus. He continues and says the immune system has 2 ways of finding and attacking pathogens, antibody and the T cell responses. This vaccine is intended to induce both, so it can attack the virus when it's circulating in the body as well as attacking infected cells. We hope this means the immune system will remember the virus so that our vaccine will protect people for an extended period. However, we need more research before we can confirm the vaccine effectively protects against SARS-CoV-2 infection and for how long any protection lasts. The new trial included 1,077 healthy adults aged between 18 to 55 years with no history of COVID-19, and it took place in 5 UK hospitals between 23rd April and 21st May 2020. The data included in the paper covered the first 56 days of trial and is ongoing still. The participants either received the new COVID-19 vaccine or the meningococcal conjugate vaccine. 113 participants were also asked to take paracetamol before and for 24 hours after their vaccination to help reduce vaccine-associated reactions. All participants gave additional blood samples and underwent clinical assessment to determine if the vaccine was safe and whether it provoked an immune response. Participants were also asked to record any adverse events throughout the trial. The vaccine was found to have an acceptable safety profile and there were no serious adverse events. The authors found that there were strong antibody and T cell responses from the vaccine. The T cell responses targeting the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein were markedly increased. The T cell responses did not increase with the second dose of the vaccine, which is consistent with other vaccines of this kind. Antibody responses peaked by the day 28 and day 56 in the trial for those given a single vaccine. This response was boosted by a second dose. 28 days after vaccination, neutralizing antibody responses against SARS-CoV-2 were detected in 32 to 35 participants, that is 91%. And in case of 35 of 35 participants who received a single dose of COVID-19 vaccine, these responses were present in all participants who had a booster dose of the vaccine. Co-author Professor Sarah Gilbert, University of Oxford, UK says, there is still much work to be done before we can confirm if our vaccine will help the COVID-19 pandemic. But these early results hold promise. As well as continuing the test, our vaccine is in the phase 3 trials. We need to learn more about the virus. For example, we still do not know how strong an immune response we need to provoke to effectively protect against the SARS-CoV-2 infection. If our vaccine is effective, it is a promising option as these type of vaccines can be manufactured at a large scale. A successful vaccine against the SARS-CoV-2 could be useful and used to prevent infection, diseases and death in the whole population, with high-risk populations such as hospital workers and other adults prioritized to receive vaccination. And they have recently confirmed the news about creating a large-scale production of these vaccines by the month of September.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.